Imagine a year where creativity becomes your superpower. What if I told you that by the end of 2025, you could be more creative and productive in your artistic journey? The key is simple: a plan, a brush, and willingness to take action. Hi, I'm Kristine, and today I'm sharing my top tips to unlock your creativity and make this year your most artistic and fulfilling.
Creativity starts with mindset. Let go of perfectionist inside of you. Make unperfect sketchbook pages. With time, you can develop your style in these pages.
I'm not promising that you will get comfortable even after 10th session, and I'm not promising that you will be good at it, but you need to start.
Let nature fill you up with its beauty. Stay curious. Pick up a small leaf or just walk. Being in nature and observing its changing beauty can give so many thoughts. You need to try it. In the wintertime, I visit local flower shop on a weekly basis. That ignites my creative mindset to work. Buy an unusual flower, or maybe your most favorite flower. Anything that can spark creativity in your mindset. Stay curious. Try something new, whether it's painting a subject you never attempted or experiment with unusual colors, different techniques, different materials, styles, popular artists, or maybe artists from the past that could inspire you. Creative routine is something I do every time I enter my studio. Flowers, light up a candle. I have my favorite tea I would like to have. Should definitely be a clean space where I will be working, or if it's cluttered, I will definitely clean up before starting my painting process. Creativity thrives in routines. Even 50 minutes a day can transform your practice. Maybe it seems really small amount of time, but trust me, in the long run, it makes a huge difference. Create your painting routine, the one that you will be longing to. And yes, small things matter. Those things will ignite your passion to come and actually practice. You will be longing for those quiet 15 to 30 minutes in your creative space. What do you do in your 15 daily minutes is up to you. My suggestions would be: if you're just starting, then doing a quick daily pencil sketch will bring you closer to freehand drawing in a year. Or mixing and matching watercolor mixes practice. This one is really good for your practice. Can be done anytime, easy and fast.
I created an ebook with 15-minute practice suggestions. Send me an email with text 15-minute practice, and I will send you this free ebook.
Inspiration is everywhere. Your family, nature, even a walk through town. Keep your eyes and heart open.
Find what lights you up. My biggest inspiration? Well, my family and beauty that surrounds me. This year is more than just creating. It's about enjoying the process, growing through challenges, and sharing your passion with the world. What is one creative thing you would like to achieve? Please share in the comments down below. I would like to see your creative challenges, and maybe I can make you some suggestions. Oh, and in the next video, I will share actionable steps for different artistic levels to achieve by the end of this year your artistic goals. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.